Discover a new dimension in the purity of audio reproduction. The time has come to invest our expertise and experience of quality headphones in the amplifier segment, with the first ever headphone amplifiers from Sennheiser, where brilliant sound meets state-of-the-art design and innovative technology. Sennheiser introduces the analog HDVD 600 and digital HDVD 800. Here, the principles of symmetrical signal processing, already well known in sound studios, have been implemented to perfection by Sennheiser. In effect, both amplifiers are true sound razors. Combined with highest quality components, totally interference-free signal amplification has been achieved and results in pure and perfect listening pleasure. This is all a consequence of a passion for engineering excellence.
I'm a musician and an audio engineer at Sennheiser, so I listen to music over headphones a lot. I know that all headphone amplifiers sound different, and I kind of accepted that, but I always wondered what my headphones could sound like. Sennheiser asked me to design a headphone amp that fits the demands of our best models. I was so excited because obviously we needed to come up with something completely new to fit the demands of our high-end headphones. We had this idea of coming up with a completely symmetrical design because from the recording studios we knew it would give the perfect sound. We even went as far as to make one symmetrical amplifier per driver. So under the hood now are actually two symmetrical headphone amplifiers. If you really do high-performance audio, it is important to select every part in the signal chain carefully, especially in the digital part. If we didn't find that perfect part, we would rather change the circuitry and make that part obsolete than to accept the imperfection. That is what is expected from Sennheiser engineers. We are supposed to hunt down every bit of sound quality. It is a pursuit for the perfect sound.
The purely analog symmetrical signal paths of the HDVD 600 are particularly convincing. Signals from symmetrical sources are passed straight through for amplification, and those from asymmetrical sources are symmetrized. The HDVD 800 features 4 additional digital inputs. By means of a high-end digital audio interface and a symmetrical DA converter, it receives incoming signals from digital sources and transforms them with maximum precision, and can also be simply connected to a computer with a USB cable. Both amplifiers allow the connection of up to 4 pairs of headphones, 2 on the symmetrical outputs and 2 further pairs on the asymmetrical outputs. They reveal the full extent of their excellence in combination with specially attuned Sennheiser high-end headphones, such as the HD 650, 700 and HD 800. The sophisticated input selector switch allows listeners to choose from a range of connected sources. The signals arriving from the selected source are also carried by the line-out sockets and can be connected to a hi-fi system. In this way, the HDVD 800 can also be used as a high-quality DA converter. The components on the printed circuit boards of the amplifiers are selected exclusively with audio excellence in mind. When it comes to good looks, they both have nothing to hide. The discreetly minimalistic, partially glass-covered housings with solidly constructed control elements emphasize their sensuous and alluring retro design. HDVD 600 and HDVD 800. Pure audio in perfection. Sennheiser, the pursuit of perfect sound.